Okay, so I don't even know how to call him this. Retired Jamaican sprinting legend. When I said the retired part, it just sounds so weird. Retired Jamaican sprinting legend Usain Bolt said he's deeply hurt by the recent disrespectful comments leveled at his former coach, Glenn Mills, and has come out in strong defense of the Racers Track Club founder and head coach. Now, I know Mr. Sportsman has a lot to say about this, or at least something, or he might try to stay out of trouble and don't say anything about it. But what's your take on it, Dee?
It's a lot, and nobody wins when the family feuds. So,
I think that.
I think we have a video of you saying, and I think we've played it before.
All right, well, let's take a look at that.
I've moved along from coach, but I haven't disrespected anybody. You understand? We part our ways for the differences that we have. But when you're going to try to disrespect a coach, he took it to a level that nobody, 1, 2, 3, me, Blake, Warren, never been done before. And then you're going to come and disrespect a coach like that. It hurts me personally because it's my coach. You understand? And I know he's not going to be happy with the fact that I'm defending him the way I am right now. But these athletes should know themselves and respect that Glenn Mills is the greatest. Glenn Mills have taken it to the highest level you have ever been in your career. You probably won't get back to that level.
Yeah. And there are a lot of things he said that I agree with. But at the same time, the athletes, though how they went about it was wrong. Some of the things that they said, but they were expressing their discontent because of the latter part of Bolt's career. They felt like the coach switched off.
Yeah.
And I say this to people, I say this to my friends, and I'm going to say this. I think Usain Bolt is partly to blame for their attitude.
For their attitude?
You know why? Because of what he's accomplished and how easy he makes it look.
Oh,
they feel like...
I like how you said it, how easy he makes it look.
Yeah. So they feel like because he's done it like that, they can
should be able to do it like that.
And it's not the case.
Yeah, that kind of talent is very rare.
Yeah,
it
rare.
doesn't come around so often, guys. And he did a lot of work too,
Yes,
and there's a lot of dedication that went into where he is right now. Yeah. So it's not just the coach.
Yeah.
A lot of it is natural talent. A lot of it is the determination that he put in.
Yeah, and I think even just how they went about it, it wasn't necessary. And with social media, things go wide.
Well, here's the thing. You have two sides to the story, right? Because you are allowed to share your own feelings about a situation. However, I do understand what you're saying because, I mean, what coach did has never been done before. So you have to give the man in props. Yeah. All right, what's up next?
It's still sports. Stella Marley, benefactor of the Jamaica Reggae Girls, has announced that she will be funding the team's training camp ahead of their Pan American Games campaign in Lima, Peru later this month. However, in doing so, she levied heavy criticism at the Jamaica Football Federation, describing it as carrying out shenanigans, quote unquote. She posted on Instagram on Wednesday that after being made aware that the JFF could not afford to host a camp to help the Reggae Girls prepare for the Pan Am Games, I want to be able to raise the funds with the condition that we pay all bills directly to vendors instead of giving the cash to the Federation.
I applaud her. I do. I feel the same way. Why is it that they can find money to give everybody else?
But she's been doing that.
I know. I don't understand it. Why is it that the money can be found for other things, for the reggae boys, for this, that, and the other, and then there's no support for these girls? It's the same way. They did a tremendous thing, and the support was like, we barely saw anything about it.
And I said it to someone, because I say this all the time, women in sports, women in entertainment, women in other areas, they don't get as much respect.
Amen.
And I don't understand why, because right now, the netball girls are ranked #2 in the world. They're at the World Cup. One beat Fiji last night, they play again today. They're #2 in the world.
And how often do you hear about that?
You understand?
How much promotion do you get? How often you see them on a billboard?
And my problem with this is that our women have been consistently carrying the nation in sports, in entertainment for a very long time, the past 3-4 years. You think about the women in sprinting, Shelley and Elaine, because Bolt is gone now. Who's going to win medals for the men?
Right.
But we know for the women. So there's not enough love, not enough respect for the women. And the JFF, they've done it. I've seen people complain about it. But when it's time for the men to get things done, it's like always
quick
fine.
time. Step up, guys.
I remember
Step up. It not look good for none.
Even the Gold Cup qualifier the other day, I couldn't get home because of the match at the stadium.
Right.
I couldn't get home.
Yeah.
And we as a nation also have to play our part in supporting the women.
And you know, we don't do it. Not even the women ourselves support the women. That's how we are. Anyway, step up, folks. Next up, advertising agency, the Limers and Bards Limited, with trades as the Lab, will continue to market with a near $1 billion in capitalization, assuming a successful share offer, and has immediate plans to acquire a business. The Lab hopes its growth strategy will convince its investors to pump $189 million into the company for about a 20% stake at $1 per share through its initial public offering. That's the PO thing that we can all put our money in. On the general stock market. The subscription period runs, okay, I can't say what the subscription
I think from July 17th to the 31st.
So you know, can you put money in there?
I mean, it's...
Tell us why we should put money in this.
I won't tell you why, but IPOs are important because it gives the company, credibility. They are open to
public scrutiny once the public has shares.
That as well, but it helps them attract the best talent. So they now can go or expand their market. They can buy new cameras, they can buy new equipment, they can, have the best so they can go outside and do more jobs and get more money.
All right, well, let's see how we can invest some money into ourselves and hopefully we can make some money from that investment. Guys, that's it for the trending topics this morning. Let us know how you feel on all our social media pages.
Instagram,
Twitter,
Facebook,
Snapchat.
WhatsApp.
They keep saying it, but I don't believe it. All right, guys.